The climate control system is controlled from your infotainment screen and easy to use. The Climate button opens the screen for all the adjustable climate control options, including temperature, fan speed, airflow, seat heating, and ventilation. The system first defaults to the classic climate view. The power button in the top left-hand corner of the screen turns the air conditioning on and off. The temperature for either side of the cabin can be adjusted by tapping the plus and minus icons, or by using the touch sliders under the display. To set the same temperature for the whole cabin, press Sync. This will match the passenger side temperature with that of the driver's. Tap the fan icons to adjust the fan speed. Or, for larger adjustments, simply touch anywhere on the bar, or use a sliding motion. The on-screen buttons above the slider direct air to the footwell, or panel vents, or you can set your desired combination. Then there's the smart climate settings. Here you find shortcuts, such as defog windows, which defrosts the windscreen. For ease, set your preferred temperature and then select Auto. Airflow and fan speed will then adjust automatically to sustain the set temperature. And manually changing any settings other than temperature will take the system out of auto mode. The combination switch panel to the left of the steering wheel has two defrost controls at the bottom of the panel. One to defrost the rear window, and one for max defrost, which sets the fan speed to maximum and directs heated air to the windscreen. To recirculate air in the cabin, simply tap the recirculation icon on the screen. No outside air will enter the vehicle when recirculation is on. If equipped, the air care feature automatically turns on recirculation when hazardous substances or allergens are detected. In the climate display, toggle the air care selection to turn it on. Recirculation will then adapt continuously and allow fresh air to enter. To heat the front seats, tap the driver or passenger seat icon at the bottom edge of the screen repeatedly to increase or decrease the temperature. Or use two fingers to tap once on the temperature slider to activate the heated seat. Tap again with two fingers to adjust the temperature. Climate control and air care at your fingertips.